नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, ट्रायंगल या प्रकरणाच्या या आधीच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण अँगल बायसेक्टर थेरम्स अँड प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ इनइक्वालिटीज ऑफ साइड्स अँड अँगल्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स या 2 पॉइंटचा विचार केलेला आहे. आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण पाहतोय सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स. So what is the concept of similar triangles? But before this we share what is the similar figures. Similar figure म्हणजे काय ते आपल्याला पाहायचं आहे. For that you observe some figures which are this. These are two figures. Observe these figures. What do you observe these figures? So this is one of pair of figures. Then second, look this. This is another pair of figures. Observe this. Then this one pair of figures. Observe this. And then this pair of figures. Observe this. What you see here. So I saw here 4 pair of figures, and you observe all these figures have same shape but different size. Same shape but different size. So look here. या सर्वांचा विचार केला तर यांचा शेप जो आहे तो शेप कसा आहे, समान आहे. I repeat again this. Look, these 2 circles have the same shape. Then these 2 squares, this also have same shape, and these 2 triangles have same shape. म्हणजे शेप समान असणाऱ्या आकृत्यांच्या जोड्या आपण बघितल्या. पण यांचा आकाराचा विचार केला, साईजचा विचार केला तर साईज कसा आहे, डिफरंट आहे. साईज कसा आहे, डिफरंट आहे. याचा पण साईज बघा, साईज कसा आहे, डिफरंट आहे. याचा साईज डिफरंट आहे आणि याचा सुद्धा साईज डिफरंट आहे. दॅट मीन्स द फिगर्स विच हॅव सेम शेप, that means the figures which have same shape but different size, it's called similar figures. What is called here, sir? Similar figures. So by observing this figure we make here one conclusions. What is conclusions? Pair of figures have same shape but different size. Pair of figures have same shape but different size. That figures you call yourself similar figures. अशा प्रकारच्या figures ना आपण काय म्हणतोय, similar figures. So I write here, it is called yourself similar figure. आता आपण सिमिलॅरिटीचा विचार करतोय. ज्या आकृत्या तुम्ही पाहिल्या त्या आकृत्यांच्या मध्ये तुम्ही पाहिला की शेप सेम आहे पण साईज डिफरंट आहे. आपल्या सभोवती अशा अनेक प्रकारच्या वस्तू असतात. स्वतःचाच फोटो घेतला तर फोटो मध्ये दिसणारी व्यक्ती आपण सेम असतो पण त्याचा साईज कसा असतो, कमी जास्त असतो. आजूबाजूचे रस्ते बघितला तर रस्ते हे दिसायला सारखेच असतात पण त्यांची लांबी रुंदी काय असते, कमी जास्त असते. म्हणजे शेप समान असतो पण साईज डिफरंट असते. मग आता याच्यामध्ये कॉमन काय असतं बघा. परत मी ह्या आकृत्या तुम्हाला दाखवतोय. याच्यामध्ये सिमिलर काय असते बघायचं झालं, यू पुट दिस फिगर्स ऑन इच अदर्स. सो व्हॉट यू ऑब्झर्व, यू ऑब्झर्व यर्स अँगल ऑफ दिस स्क्वेअर इज सेम. लुक एट दीज वन अँगल्स, देन दीज अँगल्स, and these angles. So these figures have same shape but different size, but by observing angles are congruent. Angles are congruent in these first figures. Then these figures also have same shape but different size, but you observe here angle of this. So look here, these angles is congruent here, then this angle here congruent, then here's this angle is here congruent, then here's this angle is congruent. So by observing here in this all figures you have seen there angles are congruent. That means similar figure have their angles are congruent. म्हणजे ज्या आकृत्या सिमिलर आहेत त्यांचे अँगल कसे असतात, कॉन्ग्रंट असतात, हे आपल्याला या ऍक्टिव्ह वरून पाहायला मिळतं. लुक दिस ट्रायंगल्स. These triangles have same shape but different size, but you measure the angle of these triangles. Look, this one angle is here, sir. This angle is congruent here. Then second pair of this angle here, so it is also congruent. And third pair of this angle is here, sir, congruent. That means similar figures have congruent angles. What is here, sir? Congruent angles. So I write this here, sir. Next conclusion on this. What is conclusion? We see here sir, angles are congruent, but about sides. Look here sir. I repeat again this one figure here sir. In this figure sir, angles are congruent, but what is your conclusions about side? पण साइडचा विचार केला तर काय मिळतं? These figures have same shape, so sides are in proportion. If we measure the sides of these squares and take proportional of these all sides, so you get here so sides are in same proportions. Then in this triangle also you see here so sides, these on sides and these on sides, it is also in same proportion. Then observe these sides here sir, these sides, you take a ratio of this, and these on side pairs, this side and this sides, it is also in same proportional. So we think about the sides and angles of these triangles and any figures. So what do you get here sir? The proportionality of all sides is an important property of similarity of two figures. So in all this activity what we see here sir? What we see here sir? The proportionality of all sides is an important property of similarity. म्हणजे proportionality बाजूंचं जे काही गुणोत्तर आहे, it is an important property of similarity. And but the angles in the figures have to be same measures. जरी बाजू प्रमाणात असल्या तरी अँगल कसे असतात? कॉन्ग्रंट असतात, सेम मेजर्स असतात. So as like it is a very most important conclusion about similarity. Now in your textbook there are given some activities, you do this. तुमच्या पुस्तकात काही ऍक्टिव्हिटी याच्यावर आधारित केलेल्या आहेत, त्या तुम्ही स्वतः करायचे. व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट ऍक्टिव्हिटी आहे, इंटरेस्टिंग आहे, यू कॅन डू युअर सेल्फ. देन वी शेअर्स सिमिलॅरिटी ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स. आता आपण पाहतोय सिमिलॅरिटी ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स, मुख्य पॉइंट. बट बिफोर दिस राईट दिस पॉइंट. नाउ वी शेअर्स नेक्स्ट पॉइंट सिमिलॅरिटी ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स. सिमिलर फिगर्स म्हणजे का आपण पाहिलं, पण त्रिकोणाच्या बाबतीत सिमिलॅरिटी ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स, त्रिकोणाची समरूपता म्हणजे काय आपल्याला बघायचं आहे. सो फॉर इट वी टेक टू ट्रायंगल्स. फर्स्ट ट्रायंगल्स ABC, सेकंड ट्रायंगल्स PQR. And observe these two triangles here. So look here, these are triangle here. So this one triangle say ABC and these are triangles say PQR. What you observe is in these triangles, look here sir, these angles and these angles are congruent. Look here sir, these angle and these angles are congruent. That means the angles in brown color, it is a congruence. Then angles in blue colors, it is congruence, and angles in red colors, it is a congruence. That means I denote this angle here sir. Angle A congruent, angle P. Angle B congruent, angle Q. And angle C congruent, angles R. So in these figures, three pairs of angles are congruent. So write here if one angle A congruent angle P, first pair. Then angle B congruent angle B congruent angle Q. And last one here sir, angle C congruent angle R. Angle C congruent angle R. So there are three pairs of angles are congruent. Then we think about second. So what is second here sir? Think about side ratio. In these two figures there are corresponding angles are congruent. And you think about sides, corresponding sides. So look here. These are sides. These on side, these on sides. Take this ratio here. Also, these on side, take ratio. And also, you take side ratio, these one and these one. So these are corresponding sides. If here's a ratio of this side are equal, then what we conclude here, sir? Look here, sir. AB upon PQ. I write here, sir. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. AC upon PR. So we write here, sir, two statements. We write here two statements about these two triangles ABC and triangles PQR. What is first statements? If angle A congruent angle P, angle B congruent angle Q, angle C congruent angle R. So there are three pair of angles are congruent. And AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Then what we conclude here, sir? Then triangle ABC and triangle PQ are similar. Then triangles ABC and triangles PQR are called similar triangles. Are called here similar triangles. म्हणजे दोन त्रिकोणामध्ये त्यांचे संगत कोण एकरूप असतील आणि संगत बाजूंचं गुणोत्तर जर समान असेल तर ते दोन ट्रायंगल काय असतात? सिमिलर असतात. हे आपण इथं पाहिलं. नाव हाऊ टू राईट दिस सिमिलॅरिटी. हाऊ टू राईट दिस सिमिलॅरिटी. हाऊ टू राईट लुक हियर सर ट्रायंगल्स ABC similar triangles PQR. And in short, symbolically you write as like triangles ABC similar triangles PQR. So as like we share, so what is the similarity of triangles? What is the similarity of triangles? That means there are two most important statements to consider. There are two triangles are similar. What is this? Corresponding angles are congruent and side proportion are in same proportion. So this is about similarity of triangles. Now in your textbook there is given one activity. So it is also very simple activity. You can do it. So you do yourself. And we share again 2 points for remembers. Which are those? So look there. So in your textbook page number 47 there is given. Remember this. If corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, then the two triangles are similar. This आपण पाहिलं. If the corresponding angles of two triangles are congruent, then the triangles are similar. Second point is as like if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. जर दोन त्रिकोण समरूप असतील तर त्यांच्या संगत भुजा कशा असतात? आर इन सेम proportion मध्ये असतात. And corresponding angles are congruent. So as point, you remember this. I give the PPT of these points. So look this. So as like we share a point which is a very similarity of triangles. Now we share how to solve examples by using this point. So look here. So in this example, what is given here, sir? Some information is shown in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In these figures, there are given some informations. First triangle is ABC and second triangle is PQR. Observe it. Observation करायचं आहे. And find the length of the side AC and side PQ. तुम्हाला AC आणि PQ ची लांबी काढायची आहे. So what is given here, sir? But before this, we write one property of this triangles about measurements. What is the measurement of angles of triangles? So summation of all angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So write this first here. So the sum of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. त्रिकोणाच्या सर्व कोणाच्या मापांची बेरीज 180 असते हे आपल्याला माहिती आहे. सो वी राइट दिस. नाउ व्हाट इज गिवन? व्हाट इज गिवन इन दिस हियर, सर? In same symbol there is given angle A congruent angle P. Here given angle A congruent angle P. Then these right angles. So angle B congruent angle Q. Angle B congruent angle Q. So what is about this angle C and R? जर angle A आणि P congruent आहे, angle P आणि Q congruent आहे, तर angle C आणि R congruent असणार की नाही? Obviously असणार आहे, because the sum of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. 180 मधनं हे जे दोन समान कोण आहेत ते मायनस केले तर राहिलेले जे माप आहे ते माप कसं असणार आहे? सेम असणार आहे. Therefore you write here, so angle C congruent angle R. That means all pair of angles are congruent in this triangles. जर angles congruent असतील तर triangle कसे आहेत? Equiangular आहेत. कसे आहेत? Equiangulars. So I write here, so therefore triangles ABC and triangles PQR are equiangular. आणि जर ते त्रिकोण इक्विअँग्युलर असतील तर त्यांची साइड प्रोपोर्शन कसे असणार आहेत? सेम असणार आहेत. Therefore the side proportion have here same. So right here, sir. Therefore their sides are proportional. Sides are proportional. So right here proportionality of sides AC upon PR. I write here, so AC upon PR is equal to BC upon QR. BC upon QR is equal to AB upon PQ. So in that point, what we write here, sir? Congruency of angles. Three pairs of angles are congruent, so these triangles are equiangulars. Therefore, their sides are proportional. So we write here, so AC upon PR is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AB upon PQ. Now substitute some values given here and calculate the required values. So what is given here, sir? We calculated AC. So write here, say AC same as this upon PR. How much PR? It is a 7.5. So write here, 7.5 is equal to BC upon QR. How much BC? BC is here, so 4 upon QR. How much QR? That is a 6. So write here 6. And third ratio AB upon PQ. So here say AB is equal to 3. And you calculate PQ. So write PQ same as it is. Now solve this. First we take as the first two ratio, these two ratio, AC upon 7.5 is equal to 4 upon 6. Calculate this. By taking cross multiplication, that means you take only 7.5 on that side. So AC is equal to 4 into 7.5 upon 6. And simplify this. 4 upon 6, that is a multiple of 2. So you get here, so 2 upon 3. So this cancels, you get here 2, and this cancels, you get here 3. And 7.5 upon 3, it is a multiple of 3. That means how much you get here, so 2.5. So I write here some 2 into 7.5 upon 3, that is a 2.5, and 2 into 2.5, that is a 5. So this is the value of AC. Now you calculate value of PQ. So for that you take these two ratio, 4 upon 6 upon 3 upon PQ. 4 upon 6 is equal to 3 upon PQ. Now I write here some 4 upon 6 is equal to 3 upon PQ. So for calculating this value, take cross multiplications. 4 into PQ. 4 into PQ is equal to 6 into 3. 6 into 3. Therefore PQ is equal to 6 into 3 upon, take this 4. In left side it is in multiple form. You take on right side, it goes on divides. So what do you get here, son? 6 into 3 upon 4. Solve this. 6 upon 4, that is a multiple of 2. You get here some 3 and here some 2. So 3 into 3, 9, and upon 2. 9 upon 2, that is a 4.5. So that is value of PQ. As like we solve here example by using similarity of triangles. You also solve some example given in practice set 3.5 depending on the similarity of triangles. So today we stop here, but you solve practice set 3.5 and problem set 3. Problem set 3 because your topic is yours finished now. आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण इथंच थांबतोय, पण तुम्ही सर्वांनी काय करायचं आहे, प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.5 सोडवायचा आहे, त्याचबरोबर प्रॉब्लेम सेट 3 सोडवायचा आहे. आपण पुन्हा भेटतोय पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये नवीन प्रकरण घेऊन. तोपर्यंत सर्वांना धन्यवाद. बाय बाय. सी यू वन्स अगेन. बट डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाईक, शेअर, सबस्क्राईब दिस व्हिडिओ.